Josh Viger, top bloke, returning with Year 9 Mathematics. So today we're looking at percentage increase and decrease, and hopefully this is going to work really well today. So we're increasing $70 by 15%. So there's a couple of different ways of working this out. We could work out what 15% is, and then find 15% of $70, and then go straight to adding that amount. I like the much more simpler version, which is 100% plus 15% is 115%. Writing that as a decimal is nothing worse than making a mistake. $101.15 as a decimal. So all we need to do to work out our increase, so our new amount, we take our 70 times 1.15 and 2468, type it into your calculator, and we get $80.50. D potatoes. Doing a decrease, same idea. We got our 100%. We're going to take away 40%, leaves me with 60%, which is the same as 0.6. So, following the same principles, what we're going to do, we're going to just go $5.20 times 0.6, and that's going to give us our answer once we type it into our calculator of $3.12. Price of a mobile phone increases from $250 to $280. So the usual accepted way to do this, we take our new amount, 280, take away our 250, gives us $30 increase, and usually we find the percentage increase out of the old price. So we've got $30 increase out of the 250 we started with, gives us 0.12, which is a 12% increase. D potatoes, done again. Find the original amount if there was an increase of 24% to $2,200. See, these are interesting ones, these ones. I could solve this using algebra, but once again, I'm just going to show you the percentage tricks. So, percentage trick is we've had an increase of 24%, so that means 100% plus 24% gives you 124%, which is the same as 1.24. So, our new amount, $2,200, is 1.24 times whatever we started with, the original amount, which I'm going to call fancy letter A. No particular reason for picking A apart from that an amount. So, remember way back when we did equations, we talked about the opposite operations. So we've got a times 1.24, so the opposite of that is divide. 1.24 divided by 1.24, and once we've done that, we type that into our calculator. 22,000 divided by 1.24, 1.24 gives us $17.74. So that's how we do percentage increase and decrease. Like I said, I've showed you the way that I do it. I like to convert things into decimals. It just makes it a lot easier to type into the calculator, and it means that there's a lot less calculations, so less chances for error. Have a good day.